Sudden equipment failure can cause massive financial losses for a company. This monitoring system uses sensors to track the condition of machinery in real time. If the reading reaches a critical threshold, the system will immediately halt the equipment, preventing damage. The system's hardware consists of an ESP32 microcontroller, a current sensor, and temperature sensor, a power supply, and other passive components. Multicolored LEDs serve as visual indicators on the prototype. Additionally, an experimental setup designed for testing the current sensor is presented. The system is highly scalable and supports a large number of ESP32 microcontrollers connected to the server over a network. This screen displays sensor reading in real time. If any sensor values exceed a critical limit, the system enters a critical state and instantly provides notification via an LED indicator and a color change on the web interface. Automatic recovery is not provided. Exiting a critical state requires manual confirmation using a button. The web interface displays data in real time. Depending on data recency or criticality of the readings, the indicator color for the corresponding sensor changes dynamically. This system demonstrates how simple hardware combined with distributed logic enables the creation of reliable and scalable monitoring solutions.